up? It's your girl. I don't know my name. Okay, start over. Well, hello there. Hey, what is up? It's your girl Khabirah, aka birahboo. What? Birahboo. Alright, enough of that. Welcome back, sis, to another Birah on a budget, honey. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get it cracking lacking. No, let's not. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, sis. Welcome back. We're gonna get into this hair, but first, hit that like button if you are ready for this hair. Go ahead and subscribe. So in today's video, we're gonna do a passion twist. Okay, honey, because I've worn passion twists before. But sis, I'm about to come through with some color. Okay, and you know what color, honey? 270. Baby girl, can you just imagine? Oh, look at my skin back. I'm gonna have this on. It's gonna look real cute, and I'm gonna like it.
Okay, sis, so this is how we doing it. We starting off with freshly washed hair, and I have some itching issues that I did not attend to, so you're gonna see some craziness in a few seconds. There it goes. So make sure you oil and you make sure you take care of that scalp.
The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking out my braids. This is gonna take a minute, so I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back.
Black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all.
Black. So we're gonna start with this look off with sectioning the hair, rat tail comb, and we about to part, okay? And I'm just gonna turn around. Oh, nope.
All right, sis, let's go ahead and get parted. You see what I did there? I parted it. You get it? Okay. So I'm just gonna make my two parts, one in the back and then one down the middle. Then I'm gonna make sure that I separate my hair, sis. Okay, sis, so now I'm gonna just put my hair into different sections to make sure that all the hair is out of the way.
You're too loud.
Oh, she feisty. I like her. Ooh.
And I'm just gonna take her out. I take her out the packet, okay? Because she wanna be free, baby girl. Lean back.
Lean back.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just resizing my part in the back because I made it too big. I'm just gonna guesstimate how big I want my first braid to be.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my edge control and I'm using my As I Am Long and Luxe.
All right, y'all, I just want to get right into this pomegranate edge control because she smelled real good, but it's a no for me. So next we're going to split our part into two pieces, and then we're going to grab 3 pieces of twisting hair. I know my parts look messed up, so don't talk about me in the comments, okay? All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm going to do is... I'm just kidding, y'all. Let me go ahead and put this in regular schmegler mode for you. All right, so I'm going to take the right strand and my natural hair, and I'm just going to start twisting it counterclockwise. So then I'm going to add some edge control to my end of my hair to make sure that my hair stays secure in the twist, okay? So after I get that secured, then I'm just going to start twisting the right strand on top of the left and twist at the same time. Let's get a little instant replay on this, shall we? And then I start doing a 2-strand double twist. Yes, sis, I said double twist, ma'am. When I say double twist, that means I'm doing a 2-strand twist while I'm twisting the twist strands at the same time, okay? So y'all, towards the end I got a little lazy, so I just started rolling the hair in my hands to make sure the ends are curled. Cause the girl ain't feel like braiding it and twisting it all the way down to the bottom. No, girl, we just gonna roll it in our hands and go about our day.
All right, all done. Now I just gotta add some accessories. I just got these from a local beauty supply store, so I'm just gonna use those. I'm gonna use my toothbrush because use what you got, sis, okay? Use what you got. And I'm just gonna lay my edges a little bit, brush them down a little bit. Alright, so I'll be back. I'm gonna let my edges, you know, rest a little bit. And yeah, I mean, I want to toot my own horn, but is she cute? Sis, hold on, wait a minute. Oh, girl, you like my hair? Let me stop. Y'all, so I finished my hair. This is what it looks like. Okay, sis, just wait. Hold up, hold up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about this look. I gotta get ready for work, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all have a great day. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at birahboo, and I'll put that right there. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Make sure you subscribe.
We ain't never finished, yeah. We ain't never finished, yeah. You got the right one at the right time. You got the right one at the right time.